I put captions onto my videos, but is it better to upload them directly to YouTube or burn them into my content so I can put the videos elsewhere with subtitles?
Some people do both. Captions help, full stop. It will localize your content. It can give you a wider market. My YouTube channel analytics in itself is the first best region is the US, the second is in India, and the third is the UK. So I now make sure that, because I know that my audience is India-based second, I then make sure that captions have like Hindi and Urdu and Gujarati and stuff like that, because it makes, once again, less friction. The easier it is to consume your content, the better. Now, it also comes with the fact that captions are metadata and also feed that big jigsaw puzzle piece picture. So once again, 100-piece jigsaw piece puzzle thingy, right? And if you upload all your content and the title and description and tags, and there's 50 of them, there's your 50 puzzle pieces. But if you're adding your captions, then that can also be indexed and searched accordingly, especially if there's specific things that you're saying over and over again. Maybe there's things that you need to pronounce that may be better if they read it. Some people read it whilst on the go, because not everyone listens to videos. They might read it. It depends on the platform in itself. Now, if you feel that it doesn't take away from it being burnt at the bottom of a YouTube video, fine. YouTube has its own caption system for a reason, but if it's burnt into an Instagram video, people are used to that.
Yeah.
More people.
Does YouTube recognize it then? If you've burnt it in, does it go? Because obviously the video will also have some background data that people don't see. Does YouTube recognize that background data and go, oh, hang on, you've actually put captions in, so it's not great because we'd rather use our tools, but we know they're there. Does it recognize that?
If it's burnt into the video, it obviously can't identify the exact words in it. The machine learning algorithm, the thing that I was talking about before, the learning, the reason why I deliberately start all of my videos with how to add a thumbnail. I know that somewhere that machine at some point will see how to thumbnail, and then it will learn it. So for me, I'm doing that deliberately for my own thing. But if you were to upload and burn captions, it's not going to read those captions and then caption it for you. So I always advise that if you're going to upload it to YouTube, upload it as a separate caption file that people can choose to turn on and off. Give them the option to use it, and then it can localize it accordingly. But on platforms like Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that, where it's more accepted that I'll be reading off the thing, because both of those are muted as standard. Twitter videos were immediately muted as standard. Then you'll then have the captions to read, and people accept them there.